under a sky studded with stars. The beach was alive with laughter and the warm glow of a crackling bonfire. The salty breeze mingled with the sweet aroma of marshmallows roasting, casting a spell of enchantment over the gathering. Enter Mia and Jake, a couple driven by wanderlust and a penchant for playful mischief. With an impish grin, Mia suggested they sneak away from the crowd for a romantic stroll along the shoreline. Hand in hand, their whispers drowned by the gentle waves. All seemed perfect, until they returned to find the bonfire burning slightly out of control. Thanks to an over-eager friend attempting to impress with his fire-building skills. Panic ensued. But amidst the chaos, Jake's unintentional heroic saved the day as he tripped, sending an entire cooler of drinks cascading into the flames, dousing the fire and saving the night. Laughter erupted, the mood shifting from catastrophe to camaraderie as Mia teasingly crowned Jake hero of the night. With the fire safely simmering down, the couple stole a moment to themselves, their eyes twinkling with shared secrets and new memories as they settled on a blanket, cozy and content under the watchful gaze of the moon. In the end, the night was not just about sparks from the fire, but those ignited between two hearts, resilient in the face of hilarious mishaps.